All right, Nick joining us now as you're watching some rain out there.
Yes, more widespread rain moving in, some heavier rain moving in. Most of the rain today was light, but this may be the heaviest rain we've had all day in some parts of the area. This is the view in Dripping Springs, rain approaching you along 290 coming in from the west. You may even see the occasional flash of lightning in the distance. There's not a lot of lightning with these storms, but a little bit here and there, and that would be enough to create thunder, obviously, and then potentially wake you up if this continues for a few more hours longer after you go to bed. This is our Ally Medical Emergency Room camera there in Dripping Springs. How much rain have we had so far today? Well, the continuation of rain has pushed more spots above the 1-inch mark in portions of the hill country, although most of you still between a ½ inch and an inch. In our metro counties, now we've crossed the ½ inch mark at Austin's Camp Mabry, the lowest totals of the metro, and the northeastern portion of Travis County into eastern Williamson County. Dripping Springs almost 3/4 of an inch for you. At the airport, 85 hundredths. Then in our eastern counties, rainfall amounts go from low to high as you go from north to south. But we'll be adding more to this as this cluster of downpours that I first warned you about was coming from Del Rio during our early evening news. And now here it is knocking on the door of the metro after already moving through the hill country where it is right now. There's some locally heavier rain with this and some thunder and lightning too. The more persistent lightning strikes are now east of San Antonio and will likely head for our far eastern counties like Fayette County. But we are going to see a big increase in the rain intensity as this arrives here in central Texas. So here's the cluster of rain that was in Del Rio that we mentioned earlier. Out ahead of it, just some spotty light showers, but what will be moving in will be heavier downpours heading into southern Caldwell County. You're starting to pick up on that heavier rain near Dripping Springs, the camera I just showed you there. That heavier rain coming in from the west and southwest. And you've already been dealing with the widespread soaking rainfall for you in the hill country right now. There is still a flash flood warning, though, for parts of the San Antonio metro area from the same storm that's had a flash flood warning for a good 6-8 hours already, with more than 4 inches of rain in some spots. So timing this out, arriving in Austin closer to 10 and then 11 o'clock continuing through the area. There's likely to be extra moisture around to develop additional rounds of downpours and storms during the overnight hours, especially from the metro into our eastern counties. This could set us up for a rather soggy beginning to your morning, at least for some of us. The hill country, I don't think you're going to get as much rain tomorrow as the metro and our eastern counties. Now, gradually through the afternoon tomorrow, rain coverage will start to fade and the rain intensity will drop as well. And then it'll be a much drier day on Wednesday. 90% of us, though, getting additional rain here tonight. Overnight lows down to 57. 80% of us seeing rain tomorrow. Those that don't would likely be in the hill country. Highs of 66 here tomorrow. The flash flood threat tomorrow, it's low. It's a 1 out of 4 from the metro east. Still have to be watching out for some persistent downpours continuing over the same places. Additional rain tonight through Tuesday. 1/4 inch to an inch for most. Some of you have already got some of that, but we'll continue to add to it. And then 1 to 2 inches from Austin south and east with some localized higher amounts. Temperatures, rain chances will drop significantly Wednesday, very low Thursday through the weekend, but ticking up a little bit Sunday and Monday. Temperatures jump as a result of the drier air with more sun. We'll be back in the 80s starting Wednesday and beyond. We'll also start to feel that extra humidity with more moisture in the ground and in the air. It's going to feel downright humid here later this week. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So tomorrow has the highest rain chances, the cloudiest of skies, and the coolest of temperatures. And then it's 80s with lower rain chances Wednesday through early next week.